Do a status update on the potato tower. As you can see, I've added a second layer to the tower. It's not quite filling it up yet, but I've started mounding up around the center plant. Center plant is growing good. This one back here in this corner is doing good. That one's doing good. This little guy here, and whatever used to be in there, it's not doing real good. They're not keeping up, and I'm gonna have to start piling in more dirt here pretty soon to keep up with this guy in the middle. So these two over here might get left behind. Not sure about that one either. That one looks like it's trying to go, but I'll be slowly adding more dirt to this as they grow and start building the tower. Tomatoes took a bit of a beating from the rain and thunderstorms the last couple of days, but it's time to add some more dirt to them. Hopefully they will be happy. Speaking of potatoes, there's my tower of taters, currently 2 levels tall. I'm gonna have to add another level pretty soon. One of the plants is dying off, which kind of surprises me because these 3 are actually all one plant. I buried them pretty deep, and so they wound up looking like 3 plants, but down at the bottom they're actually 1. Then there's another one back there and another tiny one up here. But I've been slowly adding dirt to this as the plants grow. I'll be adding another layer here pretty soon and continue it on up as long as they keep growing. Okay, as you can see, my potatoes did not survive the freeze, so we might as well dig in here and see what we can find. And let me preface this by saying these things have only been in there for a month or 2, so I really don't expect to find much of anything. However, I got one. That's a start. And I'm just going to take this off and start digging in here. Now I'm just going to cheat. I'm going to take this dirt and throw it in the bed next to it because I don't want it to go to waste, and I really don't expect to find anything. There's another one. Little teeny tinies. There's some other. What the heck is that doing in there? You never know what you're going to expect when you find when you dig in this yard. Well, there we are. Can't even get a good meal out of that, but to be honest, it was more than I expected to find, because my timing was way off on this one. But got a little handful. I'll make some hash browns tonight. That's the potatoes.